So, A.R. Rahman sir, you worked with him pretty extensively, and not just Hindi but other languages also.
Yeah.
So let's like kind of talk about your experience with him, and I want to talk to you about all the music directors, but like I said in the beginning, Tamil song and
Yeah.
especially a couple of your songs are my favorite,
Yeah.
and they were like it was not just the Hindi, the Tamil listener or Telugu listeners, but I think those languages attracted the
Yeah.
audience globally.
Yes.
They didn't have to understand the
Yes.
language in itself. I know you've worked with pretty much all the composers in India, and I would like to cover most of them, but understanding Tamil and liking some of the compositions by him, which is sung by you, and I just thought let's highlight that. And
Yeah.
I think that was made in Tamil and Telugu, if I'm right, like Kandakondan, and
Yes.
but interestingly, those songs were globally popular
Yeah.
in the language it was made,
Yeah.
not the
Yeah.
not like the translation to
Right.
Hindi and things like that. So, what's your experience been?
With Rahman sir.
Yeah, with Rahman sir.
Um, what can I say? I mean, there's nothing new that I can add to what already has been said about him. He's such a virtuoso and such a uh, he's a कोई कह रहे लेजेंड ये बातें अभी कॉमन हो गया
तो वो
है
जब स्टूडियो में आते हैं थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करके ये सवाल पूछती हूँ, है ना, बिकॉज आई नो ये बहुत कॉमन सा क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. जब जैसे आपको उन्होंने अप्रोच किया फॉर द सॉन्ग, ही अप्रोच्ड यू एंड देन ही काइंड ऑफ you're there at the studio, he's there at the, how do you guys kind of come together? There has to be a synergy. Right? So how do you come together and kind of create such a magical piece?
See, Rahman Saab now is very, he speaks quite a lot more than this, but उन दिनों he was very reticent, बहुत कम बोलते थे, and he'd come and he'd look up and hi and go back to his thing, and so you were wondering how to break the ice and say ke ye gana. But the transformation that you saw him inside that little haven of his, वो छोटा सा उनका वो जो पुराना स्टूडियो था पंचतन, small room, and the transformation that came when he started recording the song. Like I said earlier, he'd give you the song. आप चेन्नई जाते थे, आप होटल में बैठे हैं, आप सुन रहे हैं गाना. कभी कभी गाना समझ भी नहीं आता था because in his मतलब busy voice ऐसे कुछ गा के भेज दिया उन्होंने, और आप सुन ये मैं क्या. So that's what happened to me. So my first song, other than after A Ajnabi, was Kuruk Sirtavale.
That's my
the first song. And when
song
so when he sent me the song, and when he said, take the song, you go wait in the hotel, I'll call you, and then he disappears, and then you go to the hotel and you're sitting there for hours and hours, and I've heard the song and I couldn't make head or tail of it. I mean,
right.
मैं कहा ये क्या, मुझे तो I told my dad at a company, I said, Dad, I think we should book a ticket and go back home because I don't understand this and I don't want to go there, and so he said, no, wait. So when finally the call came and you're waiting and suddenly at 1 in the night his driver comes and says, sir is calling you to the studio. So you have to just immediately tell yourself, wake up.
Okay.
Because we were not used to recording late at night. So you go there and he says, ready? And I'm like,
Okay.
But मुझसे पहले हरिहरन जी had sung his part. So he was recording. So मैं बाहर बैठे, स्टूडियो के बाहर एक जगह होती थी, तो वहाँ पे बैठ के मैं सुन रही हूँ.
Okay.
और तब उनका स्टूडियो ऐसे था कि बाहर सुनाई देता था. अब तो everything is like seriously, So I'm hearing the song and I'm hearing it. I said, okay, I have an idea. I know what the song and how. And then the magic starts. Like I said, when you go in and he says, okay, we'll try. So I said, sir, I'll try and sing it for you first. Very nice. Go behind the mic. So he believes in the fact that you go behind the mic, you you sing the song, you start living the song there behind the mic, and then he'll push you.
Okay.
Can you try and do this? How about if you try something else? What else can you do? So you're thinking, what else can I do? He's asking me. So you as an artist are mentally, you know, it's like a machine, you're churning. अरे क्या किया जा सकता है, क्या किया जा सकता है? And that's where the magic unfolds. And for me, I will always say, for me, working with Rahman Saab has always been the spontaneity. He is so full of ideas. He is so full of, I mean, enthusiasm to puchiye mat. We should try this, we should try that. So, Kandu Kondin again, he gave me that one line, he said, do some variations with this. I must have done about 30
Wow. Okay.
variations like Kandu Kondin, Kadal Mugam Kandu Kondin, Kadal. So many. And from that, he's finally taken 3 or 4 and just placed it in the song. In the final version, you can hear just those few.
Okay.
So that's the magic of Rahman Saab.
Right.
You know, so
okay. So
every
one
time-
is the freedom that the artist
Oh
gets.
yes, absolutely.
Like when they're working with their
Yeah.
ARR. And second is that he gets the best out of you
Yes.
by making you do
Yeah.
variations,
Yeah,
especially
and gently pushing you to say, what else can you do? What else do you think we can do?
Right.
Do you think we can do something like you can, like for instance, when we did Yaro Yarodi, just Chalka Chalka.
yeah.
It's a wedding celebration kind of song. So he said, you know, you're all sounding like, there is a Tamil word called Umna Munji. You're all sounding like good girls, you know, Umna Munji takes. No, I want something more fun and fun. So he said, sing like a goat. So, you know, so one of the girls has sang, Yaro, Yarodi, and sing like an old woman. I can't remember the line. Or sing like, you know, you're teasing someone. Yaro, Yarodi. So all those elements start coming and the song starts to take shape.
up.
It can't be just, you know, aap jao aur gao. It has to be a give and take, and it is. And he is one of those music directors who gives you so much
Right.
space and scope
Right.
and so much so that even if you hit a note which is not there in his original composition, kuch alag laga diya, that's very nice. So he's very receptive also.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's
Yeah,
absolutely brilliant working, and then of course the magic that he adds after. Everyone knows by now that he records the vocals first
right.
on a bed of simple, and then he adds the layer and he makes, you know, and then that's what he takes the voice and he does certain things to it sometimes. So that's the magic that he, you know, puts in.
Yeah. I'm only kind of, as you're telling, I'm trying to imagine ki uska, the whole mixing together that, you know, and of course, I mean, audience just love
and
it.
it's not just about the singer and the song, Sonali. It's also after that, the musicians, the kind of music that goes in, and then the mixing, and then the mastering. And in terms of, you know, even at the mixing stage, I've heard this from a lot of his sound engineers, that from the mixing stage, he's called it back saying, no, I want to do something more. Literally, matlab, गाना सब हो गया और छपने वाला है. Or he says, no, I want to do something, bring it back. And then he adds something, and then something. I don't like the way this sounds. So it's not just कि आए सुबह और हाँ हो गया गाना record, हाँ okay, little bit of masala here. It's not that. It's a big
But
process.
has it been like that with any other composer जहाँ पे आप गए, गाया और निकल गए?
बहुत सारे हैं. Shankar Ehsaan Loy are like that. Vishal Shekhar are like that.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just go, and there is a format. You sing as per that, and that's enough.
No. I'm saying they are also
like or
extremely,
experimenting.
very.
Yeah.
And
I was
Shankar,
actually wondering,
being the gifted singer that he is, he also, you know, oh, let's try this, let's try that, and he sings and shows you.
Right.
Can you do this? And you're like, we are humans, you know.
वो तो कहीं और ही दान को खींच के लेके जाते हैं, right?
हम वही कहते हैं, आप जो कहते हो वो मुनासिब नहीं है. अरे no, then he'll break it down for you. You can do it like this, and then So that's what I'm saying. When you work with very, very good music directors and this, they also show you a path. कि ये किया जा सकता है.
Right, right.
But all of them are extremely innovative. All of them. And there are just few who want to stick to the straight path and say, नहीं ऐसा है, इसको ऐसा ही रखिए.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because गाना already सजा होता है, already होता है.
Right.
So you just have to go and execute it. And of course, emotions अपना होना चाहिए.
हाँ, that's true.